Alright guys, in this episode we're going to show you how to replace snap buttons. Thankfully these STS jackets come with some in the baggie. They give you one top button and one bottom button, male and female ends. Our customer told us that their snap broke off. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty well corroded. So let's go ahead and start dismantling. We're going to get this top piece off. We're going to get that button off. Hopefully we only have to do one and not both. I'll just use some pliers here. Probably just looks pretty well corroded. It is too. Pretty corroded in there. That one just probably pops, yep, pops right off. Had some glue on it to help hold it on. Alright. So we're gonna want, that's a new one. You're going to want those two. It's a top and the bottom, male and female end. You can buy these button kits. Joanne Fabrics used to carry them. Michael's craft store carry them. Amazon. Pretty nice. They come with their setter that you need. Let's open this up here. And then you're going to need a nice little mallet too to set that button in. Alright. Pretty straightforward here. That's going to go right in there. We're going to set that right on. There. Look at that. Hit or two. If you were straight on, you get it perfect. See if it snaps. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. If this has helped you in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button below. That helps us create more content for viewers like you.